Welcome back, guys. Ron here once again, play-by-play options trading team. In today's video, I wanted to cover a quick and simple topic for beginners. What is the best option strategy out there for beginners? If you're starting out and you have less than $3,000 or $3,000, $2,000 to $3,000, one thing I like to always recommend to people, but everybody finds it a little bit more complicated than just buying and selling regular, puts or calls. It's just easier to buy and sell a put or a call. But if you're starting out and you don't understand the complexities of options and all the things that are available to you, then you're really doing yourself a disservice. So it's very important that you understand how to do spreads, iron condors, butterflies, and what they are, how they work, what it means to be assigned, and all of that stuff. So one thing I like to tell you guys is look into, for example, putting in option spreads, vertical spreads on a weekly basis. And what you're looking for is, you probably want to be doing monthlies and you want to go out of the money, zero point 0.3 deltas or lower. You want to be doing, if you're giving yourself plenty of time on the put side, you want to be doing, either a 0.3 delta or negative 0.3 delta or lower, maybe a 0.15 delta, depending on how much you're able to collect, right? So let's say you right click here, you do sell vertical, right? What you would do here, you can analyze it. So it's a $5 spread. You're collecting 75 cents for a $5 spread. So that means you're getting $75 for a $425 risk. So it's risk defined and reward defined, which is, good, because now you can't lose more than 425. But before it gets there, you should have a stop. You should have a system to follow that says, hey, if the delta gets to 0.6, maybe I'll get out. If it starts challenging my side, maybe I'll roll it forward. If you don't know what rolling forward means, then you need to make sure you're studying up and paying attention to all the things that are available. All the things that are available to you when it comes to trading options. But by far, trading spreads and collecting premium is one of the simplest ways for you to make anywhere between $200 to $300 a week just with a $2,000 to $3,000 account. It's really not that hard, guys. You just gotta set yourself up for success, And, once you're getting used to your platform, basically what you're looking for is the same thing. You're either looking for a stock that's ranging or a stock that's stuck in a range. So, you're looking for a stock that's trending or a stock that's ranging and stuck in a range. Because the benefit of options is that you can make money when it's moving up, when the stock is going down, or when the stock is moving sideways. That's the beautiful thing about trading options. So, by far, I believe the best option for beginners when it comes to trading options is to be always doing verticals. As you get more and more and more advanced, you'll be able to do more complex positions. You'll be able to do more iron condors. You'll be able to do iron condors, butterflies, combinations between calls, single calls and puts, and, verticals on the other side. There's so many different types of positions that you can lay out here, guys. That'll make it better for you. But if you don't understand how to do this, you won't be able to take advantage of the more complex things that are available to you, even when you do take a single call or single put. And it goes against you, you should be able to understand that you have more options than just taking a loss. There are more things you can do. So just take the time to understand options, guys. Read, and learn. All right. And that's pretty much it for today's, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you on the next one.